Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sharon. Welcome to Sharon on Foodie Chatterat. Today we are going to make some kutsinta. So let's check out our ingredients first. We're going to need 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup tapioca starch or cassava starch, 1 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 3 cups water. To get the orange color, we need 1 teaspoon anato powder mixed in 3 tablespoons of water, 2 teaspoon lye water, and 1 teaspoon pandan essence. So let's start by sifting our all-purpose flour. Then we're going to add our tapioca starch, and we also have to sift it. Then we can add in our 1 1/2 cup of brown sugar and mix it thoroughly. Next, pour in 3 cups of water and mix it well. Then we can add in our 1 teaspoon of pandan essence. Whisk it. Then we are going to add in our 2 teaspoons of lye water. Whisk it well. Then we can go ahead and add our 2 tablespoons of anato coloring. Let's strain the mixture to get rid of some lumps. Remove bubbles if there's any. Cover and let it sit for at least half an hour. Next, we can go ahead and brush our molds with a little bit of oil. Now we can go ahead and spoon in our mix into our molds, at least 3 tablespoonfuls on each mold. We're going to steam it for 25 to 30 minutes. So after half an hour, this is how our kutsinta look like. It's all set and full cooked. Top with shredded coconut before you serve your kutsinta. So here's our finished product, the yummy jelly kutsinta. So with this recipe mix, I made 36 pieces of kutsinta. Thank you guys for watching my recipe and my video. Hope you like this, and please don't forget to put a like and a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.